This is potentially a simple invoice typed into TMaker. We're going to go to the trail screen and we're going to do the math for this. We're going to multiply the hours times the rate, and we'll put that out in the total column for these items. And we want to do that for the three items listed that need that multiplication. Next, we're going to go on and we're going to do some vertical totals for the labor. We're doing the labor total here, and we'll put that total out on the next line. We'll go ahead and compute that, and then we also want to do the same thing for the total of the purchases that were made for the project. So there we have that. Next, we need to add the purchases total to the labor total and put that in the grand total. So that's what we're doing. When you click the cursor over a white cell instead of a green one, it can't really put anything in there, so it changes to one of the other more common cursors. Now you see the math is done. We're going to take a look at the formats. It's nice to use nice looking numbers, and we're selecting a number that has a comma for the thousands in it, and we'll go paint that next to the numbers we want to have that shown. Another thing we want to do is justify the text over the columns that are numbers, so everything lines up nice and neat, and we're doing that now. Finally, that Acme service is a really long thing, so we want to tell TMaker not to try and put it all in a column, but rather just span multiple columns with it, and that's what these two things are doing. That's pretty much it as far as formats go. Let's put some lines on the thing and make it look a little more interesting. I'll go up here on lines and I'll pick a double line and I'll ask for a box around the whole cell, and I'll just click it there and there. Now, to do all this stuff in the middle, it would be more convenient to fill an area rather than click them in individually. So I'm going to select the whole area I want lined, and I'm first going to do the border only with a double line. So that's been done. And now I'm going to switch to a median line, and I'm going to do the inside only. And you'll see when I click out of this, that's what I have, a double line on the outside and the inside only on the other ones. Now we're going to make a little chart, just see where all the money went. We'll do a pie chart. I get a cursor for the values, and I'll put them next to the designer, installer, and helpers, and next to the furniture, add-ons, and deck chairs. And now I need the labels to associate it with those numbers. So in the same order, I'll put those in next to the labels corresponding to the values. I'll go up to the top and I'll see what my thing looks like. I could print it at this stage if I wanted to provide it along with the invoice as a demonstration of where the money actually went. And that's it.